Architecture of Hope. During this project, we researched Maggie's centres and the founder behind the philosophy. During this research, I researched different topics, some relevant, some not to my final design. When researching landscaping, I became interested by bees and their hives, which inspired my final outcome. This can be seen from my geometric and hexagonal architecture research, as well as this inspired my concept and the idea of honeycomb and the inside of the hive. This is my site analysis in which I chose to place my site inside Havenstoke Park in Chichester, which is about a 15-minute walk from St Richard's Hospital. Initial ideas. This consisted of different Maggie's-inspired designs that were inspired by a beehive or the contemporary architecture I researched. This can be seen from sketches and models that I made. Development began with refining my design, allowing it to change and improve into a form that better suited the brief we were restricted by. This turned my design from a hexagon with a courtyard into a different shape that allowed for a patio at the back and better space within the design, and a square kitchen that wouldn't restrict furniture and I wouldn't have to build custom furniture. Final outcome. The final outcome stage of the project revolved around perfecting my design and considering all the finer details, such as dimensions and floor plans, which can be seen from the different layers of this one. We were then tasked with creating a final model and documenting our process and challenges, with all details considered, as can be seen here. The final model and landscape should be concise and neat, as well as contextualised. Using our digital model created using CAD, we were creating interactive panoramas that can be viewed from the QR codes inside my book. This will be accompanied by a digital model and renders that allow for insight into the form. Here is a walkthrough of my SketchUp model. However, due to the lagging from the amount of warehouse inside the form, it flickers in and out of focus. But given a few seconds, it clears. This is the activity room. Large windows, mirrors, easels and yoga mats. A comfortable room with a lounge and a hearth. And these are consultation rooms, which allow for privacy with a sliding door and 2 separate entrances, as well as toilets. These are my mood boards and my A4 presentation board and my evaluation.